Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. Looking at this, it's the QQH HDMI monitor. This is a monitor that you can use. I use it with my laptop. You can use it with basically anything. You can set it down, you can carry it with you. It's a great travel monitor, and it's absolutely fantastic. When you hit function F8 on your laptop, you can either do duplicate, side by side, you can do up and down, you can extend the screen. If you know, there's so many different ways that you can do this. Right now I just have it duplicating my screen and showing off my 911 studios. So if you're looking for a great HD, that's full 1080p additional monitor, this one's fantastic. And look at how narrow this is, how lightweight it is, and the fact that you can power it with the USB from your computer. This thing is absolutely fantastic. So it's a 15.6 inch monitor, portable USB-C. It's a DC 5 volt in, and its power consumption is only 12 watts. So if you're looking for a great product, this one cannot be beat. You can see the glare is not bad at all, considering we've got some lights around here. This is not bad at all. It's absolutely beautiful. The color is fantastic, and I'm a big fan. So this is available with Amazon Prime. You know all the benefits of Amazon Prime. If your question is, should you pick it up? The answer is heck yes, and we're gonna go over all that and all the details here in a moment. But yeah, what a fantastic monitor. You're absolutely going to love it. Pick yours up, you won't be disappointed. My name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. I show you products that I own and I love, and guess what? I own it, and I love it, and I think you'll love it too. All right. We're going to show you everything about this, all the details, and yeah, I can't wait. All right, stick around. All right, let's go ahead and take a look up close. It's the QQH HDMI high definition monitor, and I'm super excited about it. So what do we got here? Oh, I like when they packed it with this. It just looks cool. I have a feeling that we've got a cool monitor under here. Oh, it's got one of those things to where it'll stand up. That's going to be extra nice. Let's see if we can get that. Figure out exactly how to do it real quick. Oh, that was easy. Stand it up. An HDMI monitor. There we go. And then, let's see. We do have the user manual. Boom. Oops. Let me go ahead and set that up more appropriately, huh? Get it up there. All right. Looks like an HDMI cable. That's nice of them to include that. A cloth for wiping it down. Let's see which cabling this is. USB-C in case you want to connect it that way. And let's see what cable this is. They don't give you all the connections. That's nice that it comes with everything. USB to USB-C to where you can plug it in, say, to your computer, wherever you want it. And on top of all that, don't forget it, folks. It does come with a plug for the wall, so you can use your USB-C to the wall plug. All right, folks, that's absolutely fantastic. If you're looking for a great product, this one cannot be beat. QQH, this is a high quality, high definition computer monitor. It is net weight of 770 grams. Visual screen of 344 by 194, a 15.6 inch display. Panel type is IPS, 16 by 9 ratio, 1920 by 1080. It's full HD with 16.7 million colors. Color temperature of 6800 K. Visual angle of 85 degrees. 1000:1 ratio for black. That's a great contrast ratio. And it does have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack and speakers built in, 1 watt times 2. So if you're looking for a ultra thin, ultra nice, this one's gonna be fantastic. You can see the 2 USB-Cs, the HDMI, and you got that control right there, power right there, and likely a speaker, I would guess, as well as the 3.5. So all the plugs you need to get this thing going, and of course, the relatively simple cover to keep it from getting scratched up when you travel with it. That thing is gorgeous. All right, folks, let's see if we can get a thumbnail of it. I'm gonna love it. Live it, love it. You want some more of it. All right, folks, thanks for watching. My name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. This is a beautiful piece of technology. Gorgeous. From a great company. All right, thanks for watching. Go ahead and pick it up. Adios, amigos.